Hey there! Welcome to our series on search engine optimization, or SEO for short. I'm Digital Dave, and today we're diving into the very basics. So, what exactly is SEO? SEO stands for search engine optimization, but what does that really mean? Simply put, SEO is the process of optimizing your website so it ranks higher on search engine results pages like Google. Think about the last time you searched for something on Google. How often do you go past the first page of results? Probably not often, right? That's where SEO comes in. It helps your website get to that coveted first page. Here's a question for you. Why is being on the first page so important? Well, the higher your site ranks, the more visible it is. More visibility means more traffic, and more traffic can lead to more customers or readers. But how does SEO work? It involves a mix of strategies and techniques like using the right keywords, creating quality content, and making sure your site is user-friendly. It's like a puzzle, and each piece helps your website perform better in search results. So, why should you care about SEO? If you have a website and you want people to find it, SEO is crucial. It's like having a great store but with no signs leading to it. SEO is your signpost guiding people to your site. In a nutshell, SEO is all about making your website more attractive to search engines. When done right, it can significantly boost your online presence. Stay tuned as we break down each aspect of SEO in this series. Up next, we'll dive into the importance of SEO in digital marketing. So, why is SEO such a big deal in the digital marketing world? Let's break it down. First off, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered how some websites always show up at the top of Google search results while others are buried on page 2 or 3? The magic behind this is SEO, but why does that matter? Imagine you're running a business. When potential customers search for products or services you offer, you want your website to be right there at the top. This is because the majority of people click on the first few results they see. In fact, studies show that the top result on Google gets about 31.7% of all clicks. That's a massive chunk of potential traffic. So, how does SEO achieve this? SEO involves optimizing various elements of your website like content, keywords, and links to make it more attractive to search engines. Google's algorithms are designed to rank the most relevant and high-quality content at the top. By optimizing your site, you're essentially telling Google, "Hey, my site is the best match for this query." Think about it this way. Good SEO is like having a well-oiled machine. It ensures your website runs smoothly, loads quickly, and provides valuable information that users are looking for. And when users have a positive experience on your site, they're more likely to stay longer, interact more, and even become loyal customers. Plus, SEO isn't just about search engines. It's also about understanding what people are searching for online. By knowing your audience and their intent, you can create content that truly meets their needs, keeping them engaged and coming back for more. Ever heard the saying, "Content is king"? Well, it's true. High-quality, relevant content is crucial for SEO. The more helpful your content is, the more likely other websites will link back to you, which Google sees as a vote of confidence. To wrap it up, SEO is a powerful tool in digital marketing because it enhances your online presence, drives more organic traffic, and ultimately helps you connect with your target audience. It's not just about being found, it's about being found by the right people. So, next time you're working on your website, remember the importance of SEO. It's your ticket to standing out in the crowded digital landscape. Let's take a quick journey through the history of search engines and see how they've evolved to become the backbone of our digital world. Back in the early 1990s, when the internet was just starting to take off, finding information was like searching for a needle in a haystack. There were no organized ways to find specific websites or content. But then came Archie, which in 1990 became the first search engine. It indexed FTP archives to help users find specific files. As the internet grew, so did the need for better search capabilities. In 1993, we saw the birth of the first web crawler, Wandux. Web crawlers are like digital spiders that systematically browse the web, indexing pages and building databases of information. This innovation paved the way for more sophisticated search engines like Excite, Lycos, and Yahoo. Fast forward to the late 1990s and Google enters the scene. Founded in 1998 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin, Google revolutionized search with its PageRank algorithm, which ranked websites based on their relevance and authority. This made search results more accurate and valuable to users. Today, Google dominates the search engine market with over 90% market share. It continuously updates its algorithms to provide users with the most relevant results. Other search engines like Bing and Yahoo also play significant roles, each with its own unique features and algorithms. Ever wondered how Google magically finds exactly what you're looking for? Let's find out. So, what exactly is a search algorithm? Think of it as Google's super smart recipe for finding and ranking websites based on what you type into that search bar. It's like having a helpful friend who knows everything about everything. Ever noticed how your search results change depending on what you type? That's the algorithm at work, but how does it decide what to show first? Well, Google's algorithm considers hundreds of factors. It looks at things like how relevant a website's content is to your search, how trustworthy the site is, and even how fast it loads. It's like a digital detective sifting through billions of web pages in a split second. Imagine you're searching for the best pizza in town. Google doesn't just show you any pizza place, it finds the ones with the tastiest reviews closest to you, and maybe even the ones that offer delivery. But hey, Google's not perfect. Sometimes it thinks you want to learn how to make pizza when you just want to eat it. We've all been there, right? Now, Google is always updating its algorithm to give you better results. They roll out changes like core updates and algorithm tweaks to improve accuracy and fight off sneaky spammy websites trying to cheat the system. So, next time you search for something, remember, behind those search results is a complex yet fascinating algorithm working tirelessly to find exactly what you need. It's like having a personal assistant who knows the internet inside out. Let's dive into how search engines crawl, index, and rank content. Search engines like Google use special programs called crawlers or spiders. These bots constantly roam the web, visiting web pages and following links. Think of them as explorers mapping out the internet. They look at everything on a page, from text and images to links and meta tags. Once a crawler visits a page, it analyzes the content and stores certain information in its massive index. Imagine this index as a giant library catalog. It helps Google quickly retrieve relevant pages when you search, but how does Google decide what to index? It prioritizes pages with unique and valuable content, updated frequently and easy to access. Now, let's talk about ranking. When you search for something, Google doesn't just show you random pages. It uses algorithms to determine the most relevant results. These algorithms consider hundreds of factors like keywords, page speed, backlinks, and user experience. Ever noticed how the top results are usually the most helpful? That's because they've ticked off many of these ranking boxes. What is organic search traffic? And why is this such a big deal? Imagine you're running a website. You want people to find it, right? Well, organic search traffic is like the holy grail of website visits. It's that traffic you get when someone searches for something on Google and clicks on your link because it matches what they're looking for. Think about the last time you searched for something online. Maybe it was how to bake the perfect chocolate chip cookie. You probably clicked on one of the top results, right? That's organic search at work. Now, why does it matter to you? Whether you're managing a blog, an online store, or a service website? Well, here's the kicker. Organic search traffic is not only free, it's targeted. That means people who visit your site through organic search are actively looking for what you offer. It's like having a store in a busy shopping district where everyone's already interested in what you sell. And guess what? It's more than just traffic numbers. When Google sees that your site consistently gets organic visits, it starts to trust your content more. That trust can lead to higher rankings in search results, which means even more organic traffic. It's like a positive feedback loop for your website's visibility. But hold on, how do you actually get this magical organic traffic? Well, it all starts with understanding what people are searching for. Then you optimize your website to be super relevant to those searches. It's like speaking the language of Google's search engine bots. Now, here's a pro tip: creating high-quality content that answers people's questions or solves their problems not only attracts organic traffic but keeps them coming back for more. It's like being the go-to expert in your field. Now let's dive into an important topic: how SEO impacts user experience and website credibility. Sounds fancy, right? But don't worry, I'll break it down for you. First, let's get into the user experience. What exactly is user experience, or UX? Well, it's all about how visitors feel when they navigate through your website. Have you ever been on a site that took forever to load or was just plain confusing? Super annoying, right? That's a bad user experience. SEO helps improve this experience in a few ways. For starters, it ensures your website loads quickly. Google loves fast websites, and guess what? So do users. If your page takes more than a few seconds to load, people will bounce faster than a kangaroo on a trampoline. But speed isn't the only factor. SEO also involves making your site easy to navigate. Think about it. Have you ever tried to find something on a website, but it was like searching for a needle in a haystack? Frustrating, right? Good SEO practices include organizing your content so users can find what they need without pulling their hair out. Now, let's talk about website credibility. Why should Google or anyone trust your site? Credibility in SEO is like building a reputation. When your site is optimized, it means you're using the right keywords, your content is relevant, and you have quality backlinks. It's like getting a thumbs up from other websites. Google's algorithm checks for these signals. If your site is trustworthy, it gets a higher ranking. And a higher ranking means more visibility. More visibility equals more traffic. More traffic equals, you guessed it, more credibility. It's a virtuous cycle. So, how does SEO impact user experience and credibility? Simply put, it makes your website faster, easier to navigate, and more trustworthy. It's like giving your site a makeover and a stamp of approval from Google, and who doesn't want that? How does SEO fit in with other digital marketing strategies? It's like the glue that holds everything together. Email marketing, social media, content marketing. They all need SEO to drive organic traffic and boost visibility. Let's break it down. Imagine you've created an amazing blog post. Without SEO, it's like throwing a party and forgetting to send out invitations. SEO gets your content in front of the right eyes. And what about paid advertising? Isn't that enough? Well, picture this. Paid ads are like renting a house, while SEO is like owning one. Paid ads stop working when you stop paying, but the benefits of good SEO last much longer. Who wouldn't want a house that appreciates in value, right? SEO also helps you understand your audience better. Tools like Google Analytics provide insights into what people are searching for, what they like, and even what they don't. It's like having a spyglass into your customers' minds. And let's not forget mobile SEO. With everyone glued to their phones, making sure your site is mobile-friendly isn't just a nice-to-have, it's essential. Google rewards mobile-friendly sites with better rankings, so don't miss out on that traffic. So, to wrap it up, SEO is the backbone of your digital marketing strategy. It helps you get found, builds credibility, and supports all your other marketing efforts. Remember, in the digital world, if you're not on the first page, you might as well be invisible. Alright everyone, that wraps up our first part of the Introduction to SEO series. In the next video, we'll dive into on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. Stay tuned. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more SEO wisdom coming your way. Until next time, keep optimizing.